The RIDGID FlexShaft drain cleaning machines quickly and efficiently deliver wall-to-wall clean in 1.25 to 4-inch residential and commercial pipes up to 70 feet. In case the cable gets worn out or damaged, you'll want to follow these instructions on how to replace the cable. FlexShaft machines utilize a special chain knocker attached to a flexible cable that spin at high speeds by a cordless drill attached to a drive shaft. The cable spins inside a nylon sheath that is housed inside a fully contained drum. The cable on this K9102 model is a 1/4 inch thick and 50 feet long. The larger K9204 model uses a 5/16 wide cable and is 70 feet long. But the replacement process is the same for both machines. To start the cable replacement, lay the machine flat on its back and remove your chain knocker. With the supplied 4mm hex wrench, remove the fasteners that hold the housing closed. Open the housing and remove the retention plate fasteners and retention plate. Loosen the gearbox plate fasteners 3 or 4 turns, but don't remove the bolts. Remove the pin from the cable coupling. Remove the cable coupling from the gearbox shaft by slightly lifting up the gearbox. And remove the cable assembly. Then replace the cable with a new one by replacing the coupling end into the drum. Feed the coupling through the open channel and pull the coupling into the drum using either pliers or an Allen key. Now to put the unit back together, you'll simply reverse the process. Lift the gearboxes slightly and place the cable coupling onto the gearbox shaft. Replace the pin in the cable coupling and tighten the gearbox fasteners. Minimize the amount of exposed cable by pushing the sheath tight to the shoulder. Place the retention plate over the cable. Replace the retention plate fasteners and tighten. Feed the cable into the drum channel and pull the end of the cable through the cable opening. Place the front housing back onto the machine and replace the fasteners that hold the housing closed. Once you insert the bushing and chain knocker onto the end of the cable, you're ready to start cleaning your drains again. To learn more about the RIDGID FlexShaft drain cleaning machines, visit RIDGID.com or contact your authorized RIDGID dealer.